So our next question, third question is write the coefficients of x cube in each of the following given expressions, given polynomials. So what is meant by coefficient? Before going to solve this question, we should know what is meant by coefficient. So let's take 7x square y square. So you can take it in 7x square. What is the coefficient of y means in the given expression, whatever it is there in a given polynomial, whatever it is there other than y square, that all will come under coefficient. So coefficient will be equal to, coefficient of y square will be equal to 7x square. Then coefficient of x square means other than x square we have to take remaining thing, that is 7y square. Then coefficient of 7 will be equal to other than 7 remaining one we have to take care, that is x square y square. You can divide this into some other constant also. You can write this in the format of 7x into x into y into y. Then you can write coefficient of x means, so let's take 7x here. So 7x means we have to remove 7x from the expression x y square. So remaining expression we have to write like this. Then coefficient of 7y. So y x square. You can get it like this from this. Next, our first question is x cube plus x plus 1. Coefficient of x cube. You can write in the format of 1 into x cube plus x plus 1. So what is the coefficient? So coefficient will be equal to, coefficient for this expression is 1. Our next one, second one is 2 minus x cube plus x square. You can write in the format of coefficient will be 2 minus 1 into x cube plus x square. So what is the coefficient? The coefficient will be here equal to minus 1. So minus 1. You should not forget about minus also. The sign is important and sign is compulsory. Next one. Third one is, if it is a positive, we will not keep. Root 2 x cube plus 5. So root 2 into x cube plus 5. What you can take it here? So root 2 beside with x cube. For that coefficient is square root 2. Next one. Fourth one is 2x cube plus 5. That will be equal to 2 into x cube plus 5. They are asked only for x cube coefficients. We are not concentrating on this. If they are going to ask what is the coefficient of x means for this one, what is the coefficient of x square is 1. What is the coefficient of 5 is 1. Like that we can go. So here, so what is the coefficient of x cube? Here 2 is there. For that 2. Next one, our fifth one is, so what is our fifth one? So fifth one is pi by 2 x cube plus x. That will be pi by 2 into x cube plus x. That will be equal to pi by 2 will get. So what is pi by 2? Pi by 2 is 90 degrees. So pi by 2. That is our next one. Now sixth one. So what is our sixth one is minus 2 by 3 x cube. So what is the coefficient? The coefficient will be minus 2 by 3. That will be coefficient. That only coefficient. Why? Because x cube you can write in the format like that. Seventh one is 2x square plus 5. So you can write 2x square is, you can write in the format of 0 into x cube plus 2x square plus 5. Why? Because there is no x cube term here. But we should write x cube into 0, then it will become 0. So for this, what is the coefficient? The coefficient for this expression is 0. If nothing is there in that, then we have to write. So if it is nothing is there means we have to write that will be 0. For any, next for this also. So your x cube term is not there means we should write like that. So for 4 you can write in the format of 4 plus 0 into x cube. So what is the coefficient? For this also 0 is the coefficient. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, in this module we are going to discuss the difference between linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So what is meant by linear polynomial? So linear polynomial will be So then degree will be equal to, the highest degree will be equal to only 1. Degree means highest exponent value. In the given expression, highest exponent value. Highest exponent value. That is the degree. So for linear, we will take it like this. Quadratic means, so quadratic implies that will be degree should be equal to, it should be equal to 2. The highest exponent value will be equal to 2. Then cubic means degree should be equal to 3. The highest exponent value in the given expression should be 3. So first one, let's take our first one as 5x square plus x minus 7. So here degree will be, for this degree will be 1, for this 2. So which one is the highest? So degree we will write here and type of polynomial. Type of polynomial. That one we will going to write. So first one, highest degree is 2. So 2. Then for this, what you can say? Quadratic. Or next one, second one is x minus x cube. So x minus x cube means here, what is the highest degree? 3. So for that 3 means cubic. Cubic polynomial. Let's take our third one, x square plus x plus 4. So here 1 is there. So what is the highest one? 2 is the highest one. Degree will be 2. Then what type of a polynomial? Quadratic. Next one. Our fourth one is, what you can say? Fourth one, this is 1, 2, 3. This is fourth one, x minus 1. So what you can take? Here x power 1 is there. So which one is? So 1 is the highest. Here 0 is there. You can write x power 0. So what is the, what is that? So here degree will be equal to 1. Then what you can say? This one is linear. So linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Then fifth one is 3p. So what is the highest degree here? The degree will be equal to 1. Then what type of linear? So degree will be equal to 1 means that is linear equation. Then sixth one will be pi r square. The pi is value of pi will be equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. You can take this is a constant. Then r square means what is the highest one? So here 2 is highest. For that 2, then quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Like this we need to differentiate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here in this module we are going to discuss, that is fifth question, write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So first one. So before going to that, they are discussed about monomials, polynomials and binomials. What is meant by monomial? So monomial is any polynomial or any equation or any expression without having any addition or subtraction, like that, the single term. So single term, you can take it like that, single term. Let's take 3x square comma 5x cube, then x, or 10x square y square, like this, without having any plus or minus. No plus or minus in the given expressions. Next one, what is binomial? So binomial will be equal to two terms. Two terms should be there. That is, let's take 3x plus 5y square, then comma 10xy minus 10z. So like this, we are going to two terms will be presented in that. Then cubic, monomial, binomial and trinomial. So trinomial will be equal to three terms. So three terms, like how it is as, let's take 10z plus 5s, 5t plus 3y. So we'll get any plus or minus combinations. So let's take x square plus y square minus z square. Well, like this, it is trinomial. So this is the way. Next one, our first one is a binomial has two terms. Compulsory it is true. Why? Because as I told, in binomial two terms should be there. So let's take any expression 3x plus 4y. So here how many terms? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 terms is there. For that it is true. Binomial has 2 terms. Next one. Second one is, so what is our second one? Every polynomial is a binomial. So polynomial, it may be false. Why? Because a polynomial will be anything. Like it's maybe x, y, z, or 2x square, y square, or it may be anything. It's not a binomial. It may be monomial also, it may be trinomial also. Every polynomial, it's not compulsory, should be binomial. That is false. Polynomial should be, what are the conditions before classes I told. A binomial may have degree 3. So binomial may be true. Yes, it is true. Why? Because a binomial means, let's take 3x square plus 4y. So here 4y cube. So here what is the highest degree? 3. So for this, degree is equal to 3. But you should consider only binomials, 1 and 2 terms should be there. That is our thing. So a binomial may have degree 3. That is 2. Next one. Fourth one. So our fourth one, degree of polynomial, that is false. So why? Because why it is false is, so degree of 0 polynomial. So 0 polynomial means, so we have one condition. 0 polynomials means coefficient is equal to 0. Coefficient equal to 0 and constant polynomials. Constant polynomials and 0 polynomials. You can take like that without any variables. So that is false. If it is a coefficient only, 0 means how it will have degree. So coefficient 0 means there is no degree for that. There is no degree for that. Next, our fifth one is degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 2. So here for x square, monomial degrees we are going to write. So here degree is 2. For 2xy, so what is that? 1 is there. 1 plus 1 plus. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So here I am writing degrees. Then for y square, degree is 2. So here degree is all are equal. Then this degree highest one is equal to 2. So degree is 2. Yes, it is true. What you can say? It is true. Our next one is sixth one. So what is that? Pi r square. So pi r square is a monomial. There is no plus or minus in this. There is no plus or minus. It may be with multiplication. Yes. For that it is monomial. Correct. Monomial, that is true. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.